I got a treat for you once you're done going pee-pee. You got a Puppachino. Never had a Puppachino before. Come on. You want this Puppachino? They give you a cookie in here too? Okay, here. There you go. And you already know the drill. Okay. Good boy. We just got back from Coffee Bean. I figured I'd do a little Puppachino video for you guys. Good boy. It's a little melted. I'm sorry. I don't know if I can give you that cookie in there. It's a lot of sugar, man. You haven't even ate yet. Good boy. Okay. And let me drop that cookie out. Maybe that's a dog-friendly cookie. Let's hope it is. There you go. Oh yeah, that sounds like a treat. Oh yeah. Good boy. That's good. Good boy. Here, one more. Okay, that's it. That's enough. That's it, man. Good boy. That was good. Look, yeah, right there. Right there. No. No. Look. Back up. Back up. Look, right there. Right there. Back up. Percy. You're so... Right there. There you go. Good boy. Nope, no more. That's it. You're gonna follow me around till I throw this away. No more. You got it all. Good boy.